how was the receiving of it all? Because it's hard to kind of suss out what people actually feel when you just go on Twitter. And so I'm actually curious what that was like for you guys.
Honestly, I saw a lot of the Twitter stuff, but I tried not to pay too much attention to it. I think when we launched this, I actually like just turned off my phone and like went on a walk with my kids or something like that. I was like, I'm not going to pay attention to that the rest of the day. I want to build something that people like. That's it. At the end of the day, like I want to build software that's useful for people. So I've been very focused on like the people that are actually getting value out of this, right? I mean, Dane said, 50 plus contributors. I think at this point we've merged like 400 plus PRs in a month. I mean, this is like an active project. And so the reception in my mind has been really good because I see people using it and getting value out of it, right? And people outside of Cloudflare, to be clear, right? I mean, from day one, this has worked anywhere. It's just a Vite plugin. So you can Vite start and run it on any server in the world and it just works. So I think I've been very focused on that aspect of like, if I can make software that people enjoy using, and I'm going to keep doing that.
I mean, as you said, it does go back to the customers for us. Obviously, I mentioned that it was, the number of new users and new customers came that day was just a huge spike. So which, that's gratifying, that people are using it and, there's all the different metrics on, what could be success there. Number of active developers for us is really important. So, that was a success from that. All the Twitter, it is what it is. It can be a little fun. It's short-lived and you move on and get back to work, really.
I think the interesting thing here for me too about like the reception has been around like Vite, right? I mean, basically all the frameworks except for Next have standardized on Vite. I mean, I think that's just how it works now. And so Next has sort of been telling everybody for years, like, well, we'll use TurboTax because we have to, because it's, whatever, better or faster or all these things. And I think there's just been like this pent up sort of latent sense of like, well, what if you had just used Vite? And this answers that question. So when I built this, I definitely did not spend any time on performance or sort of like making build times fast. That was not what I was trying to do. I was trying to get the breadth of coverage with the API. So it's a testament to Vite that just literally the first version of this was 6 times faster. Like that is like, that's how powerful Vite is and how good it is as a bundler.
What I haven't built, how many people have been able to build great things off of it? I mean, including Astro, right? This is really more of a story about how great Vite is, right? Like none of this would have been possible without that. I mean, maybe it would have just been a lot more tokens, but the fact that a design like that has been able to kind of get you the ubiquity and still remain performant and it's pretty amazing.